see difference between equity shares and preference shares. So point of difference, number 1, nominal value of shares. Nominal value of equity share is generally lower than other securities of the company, whereas nominal value of preference shares is generally higher in the market. Rate of dividend. Rate of dividend on equity shares varies according to the profit of the company. In any year when company gets high profit, equity shares may get high rate of return. When company earn less profit, in such case equity shareholder get less rate of return. And at the time of loss, equity shareholders don't create any obligations regarding dividend on the company, whereas preference shares enjoy fixed rate of dividend in the profit of the company. Third one, arrears of dividends. Equity shareholders don't have right to get arrears of dividend, whereas preference shareholders dividend accumulate every year and they have right arrears of dividend when they don't receive dividend in any year, so they can get these dividends in next year. Fourth one, priority. No priority in dividend and repayment of capital in case of equity shares, whereas preference shares holders get priority in payment of dividend and repayment of capital. Redemption, that means repayment of capitals. Equity shares cannot be redeemed during the life of the business, whereas preference shares can be redeemed during the life of business. That means preference shares are issued for a specific period. Sixth one, element of risk. Equity shares consist of more risk, whereas preference shareholders have comparatively lower risk. Voting rights. Equity shares don't enjoy voting rights in the company's decisions, whereas equity shares enjoy voting rights and can participate in the management of business, whereas preference shareholders don't enjoy voting rights and cannot participate in the management affairs of the business. Control. Equity shareholders enjoy control over the management in the organization, whereas preference shareholders don't have control over the management affairs. Speculation of shares. Equity shares are highly speculative in the market. That means there are fluctuations in the price of equity shares in the market, whereas preference shares are less speculative in nature. Investors' preference. Those investors who are willing to take greater risk to earn greater dividend will prefer equity shares, but those holders who do not want to take risk and expect regular income, they invest in preference shares. All right.